slab roller, and today I'm going to be talking about how to make your basic slabs. And before we get started, I want to just talk a tiny bit about safety. So a slab roller is a basic machine, and so you definitely always want to be safe when using it and not force things through it. If you're using this with students, you need to talk about safety with them, because it is like a press and can cause some damage. If you have long hair, you want to keep your hair tied back so it doesn't get caught in any of the wheels or pulley systems. And other than that, you want to put things through the slab roller that go through it, like clay, but other than that, you don't want to use it for other things. You also want to be careful and wear face coverings when dealing with raw materials, and always clean up after you're done. And when you're cleaning up clay dust, it's important that you wear a mask or have good ventilation and use lots of water to capture the dust. So let's go ahead and start making some slabs. So this is a Bailey slab roller. So how the slab roller works is there is a roller on top and a roller on bottom. Both of them are textured, and then you can roll the handle, and as you roll the handle, both rollers move and force whatever you're pushing through forward. So the slab roller actually comes with a series of boards, and the boards are different thicknesses. So you put the boards down, and the boards help. They help push and move your clay through the slab roller. And the more boards you put in there, the thinner your clay will be. The less boards you put in there, the thicker your clay will be. It's important to also use a canvas. So that's what I have this sitting here. I usually always work on top of a canvas because it makes cleanup so easy. It also allows you to collect your scraps of clay very simply, and then put them in your scrap box, and then you can reuse them and make them into something new. So the canvas is used down on your slab roller to keep your clay from sticking to the boards, and then you can easily pick the canvas up and move to your other workspace. So when you're working with a classroom full of students, this is really important that you have lots of pieces of canvas for them to work on, so they can roll the slab and then move and get out of the way so another student can use the slab roller. So I'm going to use my wire cutter. And the nice thing about buying clay that's already made, it has no air pockets in it. It has been extruded through a machine that takes the air pockets out and has it to the consistency that works well for throwing and hand building. So I'm going to go ahead and scoot that to the very front of the slab roller and give it a push and go. I'm going to go at kind of a pretty good speed, and voila, I have another slab. So there's a texture on the slab from the roller and the canvas. So I want to use a rib to kind of smooth that out, or I can use my fingers, and then I can decorate it, cut it, or make anything I want. Thanks for watching.